cheesy, fluffy, loaded. This is the upgrade your holiday potatoes desperately needed. Meet Potato Romanoff PIATTO-style. Nicole's making a version so bold, so satisfying, that the dish barely survives the night. We start with the right potatoes. Dry, starchy, workhorses like russet or Idaho. No peeling, just scrub them clean and leave the skins on. Plan on 1 large potato per person. Pierce each potato so they don't explode in the oven. Bake at 200 directly on the rack or a sheet tray for 45-60 minutes until the skins feel leathery and the inside is tender. Cool the potatoes completely. This is a necessary step. Cold, baked potatoes shred into delicate flakes that trap air and the rest of the ingredients. Use a large hole grater. A food processor works if you have the right disc. Most of the skins won't grate. Remove the big pieces but leave the fine bits. They add structure and prevent your fingers from getting shredded. That's the signature Romanoff texture. Light, fluffy, this is where the magic begins. Now prep the shallots, 2 finely minced. Potato Romanoff didn't come from Russia, if that's what you are thinking. It was born in a mid-century Las Vegas steakhouse in the 1940s as a showpiece side dish. The name Romanoff was pure branding, perfect for marketing for big American steakhouses trying to impress men ordering giant ribeyes. Nicole's eyes were on fire with this. Onion goggles next time. Next comes the meat, because a loaded potato deserves it. We're using Italian pancetta, though bacon works too. Pancetta is cured pork belly, clean, savory, not smoked. Bacon is smoked, which gives a stronger, bolder flavor. Today we're going Italian because we're in Italy. Finally chop the pancetta into small bits, about 1 slice per person, or 2 if you feel ballsy. Pancetta renders less fat than bacon, so start it with a little olive oil. Cook over a medium heat until the fat melts out and pieces turn deeply crisp. Keep every drop of that rendered pancetta fat in the pan. That's flavor gold. Use it to sauté your minced shallots. Add a couple tablespoons of butter to push the richness even further. Nicole, stop stealing the pancetta, we see you. Time to assemble. And yes, you can prep this the night before. We have cold shredded potatoes, crispy pancetta, sautéed shallots, minced chives, and the secret weapon, sour cream. Shredded Gruyère or cheddar. To keep that signature fluff, mix gently with 2 forks, don't mash. Fold in the pancetta, then the cheese, then the shallots, salt, Taste as you season. This pancetta was salty, so Nicole needed less salt. 1.5 teaspoons total. Add black pepper. This sour cream. Taste again. And finish with the chives. Keep the mix loose, aerated, and don't pack it down as you fill your baking dish. Bake at 180 Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit for 30-40 minutes. Then finish under the grill for 1 to 2 minutes to brown the top. And here it is. A loaded baked potato in every bite, but richer, fluffier, and dangerously irresistible. Look at the cheese. Subscribe to Piatto Recipes, like the video, hype it up, and let us know in the comments what do you think of our loaded potatoes Romanoff, how you plan to make this beast of a dish. And if you love discovering real Italian original dishes, check out Flavia Diamante's cookbook Pasta Affair, 50 authentic Italian recipes from Italy, so you can travel the country one forkful at a time.